So hi everyone, I'm Fabian. I am one of the fellows of 42 Wolfsburg, and so I joined the 42 fellowship I think nearly 3 years ago. So from beginning, so as a Wolfsburg citizen, so I'm very proud to have something like the 42 here in Wolfsburg. That's quite cool to see and to see how that evolves the last 3 years. So today we're here at the graduating ceremony, so that's quite cool to see people from 3 years ago who have graduated today. So yeah, that's cool to have something like that here in Wolfsburg. We have had a lot of hackathons in the past, so different ones. So as well, we did some cloud computing workshops and so on and so forth. And what is quite cool to see is how curious the students are. So they are not like students from university, so they are more hands-on, more practical. So they want to try something out and have the results directly seen afterwards. So that is quite cool to have that in such an experience, in such a space. And so the other thing, what I've or what we as well as a team have seen here was that the students are very practical, and so they have to solve real-life problems every day. And that is what you see how they go on when they have to solve a task, for example. So that is really cool to see. And what I think and see is that you need people like that in every company, because you can easily say, okay, there's a problem, please solve it, and they do it with no asks. So maybe they want to have some more requirements to rephrase the project, but if they have everything they need, they just start working, and that is quite cool to see. So that is very proactive. So that is what all the students bring with you when you try to hire them. So we have made some interview trainings with the students in the past, and they ask us, so what do we experience during such an interview? And so I think there are two very important things. So the human skills they bring to the work, so how they behave in whatever situation, or what have they experienced in what situation. So that is one thing what we are asking quite often, because then you know how people act when something is going strange or something will not go in the direction they expected. And then the other thing, and maybe that is the more important thing, is the technical part, so that you can explain technical things quite easily. For example, what is cloud computing? So one of the questions we are asking in interviews to nearly everyone, so from junior to senior to principal, is, can you please explain what cloud computing is for your 3-year-old child or your grandma? So that are things you have to be able to specify and to simplify as well. Or what does AI do, so that you can explain it for children or something like that. And that are things I think they need at most, and they have to learn and experience somewhen. From my point of view, so everyone is participating somehow in the open source community. So because they are using GitHub, for example, for pushing the code onto, so then they are creating code. So that is awesome, and without AI. So that is as well quite cool to see. And they learn it from scratch, and I think that is the most needed thing. So there will be AI in the future, and that supports you with a lot of things in the future, but they learn the meta model behind AI and coding, and that is maybe the most important thing, and that is what they contribute as well to the German, Germans, not just society, as well to the economy, because they learn and they have the principles behind how coding works, and that is maybe much more than everyone else has. For me, what I've already mentioned, the most important point is that they are really solving real-world problems, and they are trained to solve problems. So that is the most important thing what you can learn, and not by yourself, as well in collaboration with others. So that is how the real work outside of whatever study program looks like, and how it works. And so, for example, you don't solve things by your own, as well, especially in such complex situations with coding and so on and so forth. So that is the thing what is really important, and what they learn here, and that is maybe the core, and that is something what maybe people who work since 15 years and just have made an apprenticeship don't have experienced. So they experience that here from day one to they graduate, and then they can bring it up to the work they do afterwards. So that is, from my point of view, the most important and the most valuable thing they get out of 42. So they are cutting edge of innovation because they code. So I think that is the most needed skill in the future. So maybe they should start as a junior wherever they could. So it doesn't matter if it's Microsoft or Google or Volkswagen or Porsche or Zalando or whatever company. So just start and start with whatever they offer you. So one personal opinion is never say no. So because if you say no, so then you're maybe kicked out or you are not relevant for whatever cool projects, so that you can get some experience. And so that is the thing what I give to every student and as an advice. So every time when we're here for the interview trainings and so on and so forth, they ask as well questions. How was your path to where you are at the moment? And that is the thing. So I started as a junior developer somehow, and then I made my path and never said no, and had some cool projects out of that where I grow a lot of experience out.